Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. On the Twingo one, a spark plug tool is included in the engine cover. Remove it by pushing on the plastic button. Using the tool, remove the car noise suppressor. Using a socket wrench, a big extension, and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and unscrew by hand to save time. Lightly coat the thread of the new spark plug with copper grease. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket. Since it is so fragile, start this off by hand, giving the proper support the plug needs before finishing the process with a wrench. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench, finalizing the tightening with a quarter turn. There's several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a Torquey wrench and employ the Torquey setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular Torquey gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Put the anti-parasite back on, pushing it in as far as possible. You should be able to hear a little click when it slots into place. Put the spark plug tool back in its housing. Operation completed.